is Panasonic TV Android. Not all Panasonic TVs are Android-based, but some models do feature Android TV. Panasonic primarily uses its own operating system, My Home Screen, in many of its smart TVs. However, in recent years, the company has also introduced certain models that run on Android TV, offering users access to the full Android ecosystem, including the Google Play Store, Google Assistant, and a broader range of apps. Panasonic's proprietary My Home Screen. Many Panasonic Smart TVs come with My Home Screen, which is an in-house operating system. This platform is designed to be easy to navigate and provides access to a variety of streaming services like Netflix, YouTube, and Amazon Prime Video. While it is functional and user-friendly, My Home Screen is not based on Android, meaning it does not offer access to the vast selection of apps and features available through Android TV. Android TV in certain Panasonic models. Some of Panasonic's newer TV models do come with Android TV. These models offer a more integrated experience with Google services, such as access to the Google Play Store, Google Assistant for voice control, and a wider selection of apps compared to My Home Screen. Android TV also supports features like Google Cast, enabling users to easily stream content from mobile devices to the TV. Difference between My Home Screen and Android TV. The main difference between Panasonic's My Home Screen and Android TV is the range of features and apps available. Android TV provides access to the full suite of Google services, including a larger library of third-party apps from the Google Play Store. On the other hand, My Home Screen offers a simpler, more streamlined interface, but lacks the depth of functionality and app availability that Android TV provides. Which Panasonic models have Android? Panasonic TVs equipped with Android TV are typically the newer models, especially those aimed at markets where Android TV is more widely used. These models feature the additional benefits of Android TV, including Google Assistant, access to a broader range of apps, and more customization options. In conclusion, not all Panasonic TVs run on Android. While many of their smart TVs use the My Home Screen platform, Panasonic has also incorporated Android TV into some of its newer models, offering users a more feature-rich and versatile smart TV experience. If you specifically want an Android TV, it's important to check the specifications of the model you are considering.